I'm Kip Harkness, your host for City180, where we take a look at cities from a different perspective in 180 seconds. Today, we're headed out to the Regional Wastewater Facility in San Jose, and we're flying drones.
So I'm pretty much just flying the drone manually, just controlling exactly where it's going, and you can see on the screen exactly what's shown from the camera. Well, we're using drones these days for surveying, to pretty much capture a whole bunch of photos from the air with like about an 80% overlap, and then putting that into software, where the software gathers all those images and it will create a 3D model of that site.
The site in our case is the Regional Wastewater Facility, where 120 million gallons a day of sewage that you flush down the toilet is turned into clean water and sludge that can be recycled. We're currently converting this into a brand new facility. At the same time, we're running the existing site.
And so one of the things that we're using drones for, aside from condition assessment, is just basic construction documentation. So we want the drone to be able to fly into areas that are hard to access without a ladder or a crane. We're sitting on top of our gas holder tank right now, so it gives you a certain perspective. But a drone, you can actually get to observe the tank and the rebar and how things are aligned.
The drones we're using here are commercially available for about $1,500, including the camera and built-in stabilization for the camera, as well as sensors that prevent it from crashing into walls or obstacles. Pilot training takes a weekend, and the battery pack gives you about 25 minutes of flying time, and they can easily be swapped in and out.
So one of the advantages of using drones for emergency response management is that you'll be able to place them in different parts of the city, potentially in, for example, police vehicles. And so you have a coverage for using them and having them there instantaneously, effectively, to respond to any emergency. And then because of the low level of training really that's needed to fly them, you can have somebody there that can fly it immediately.
So drones today are helping us rebuild a $2 billion regional wastewater facility, and tomorrow may be helping us with emergency management and disaster response. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of City180. I'm your host, Kip Harkness. Please share, like, and come back next time when we talk about small cells and connectivity.